All right, hello everyone. How are you today? It's Kay. So I hope you had a great weekend, and this is Monday, 28th of February. So today I would like to announce one of the how do you say, like situation which I just noticed. I just realized that there are so many scammers of mine. So today, first, let me remind you that which ones are scammers and which ones are the true accounts. So this is obviously my YouTube account, and this is true. This is a correct account. But sometimes I see my fake YouTube account. So and today, since the markets are kind of quiet, I guess I will just talk about this topic. So in case if you find some fake account, scam account of mine, please let me know by email. You can have the contact form below description. So please let me know in case you're in this group. Today I'm very upset because I've actually communicated with one of my followers, and he emailed me to check if this is my account or not, my group or not, in Telegram. And for me, I never do Telegram. I never have account. I never do Telegram. So if you are in the group in Telegram, that's all fake. So today, let me reveal one of the fake Telegram account. And just in case if you are in this group, please report this group, because this is fake and looks like they are selling some signal. I think they are selling some signal, and they are even like trading like a Bitcoin, which I never do, and I never traded gold recently, but I've seen that these people trade gold and they put these signals, how many pips they gain per day or per week. So yeah, so let me just notify. So first, let me change the screen, because this is, I think, gone too far, I think. So I'm actually I will be hiring the lawyer and deal with this situation. I will take action to this, legal action, because this is insane. I mean, this is not really the way I want to have the community. If for me, I'm a full-time trader, and I only do this YouTube and I only do these services to help you become a non-losing trader. And this is my honest, sincere feeling that I really want everybody to be successful and everybody to have the correct understanding of Ichimoku and improve their trades. But these scammers, these fake accounts of mine, keeps telling them to capture quick money, and they're sending signals. So this is totally against what I do. If I'm also sending signals, and if I'm also encouraging everybody to get this quick money and quick pips, these are on the same lane. But for me, I'm opposite. I never take trades automatically. All my trades are done manually, and I never run EI, I never run robot, and I never send signals. So yeah, so please, if you are in this group, please report this group and send me screenshots. Then I will take legal action from now on, because this is too much for me. So so let me share one of the screenshots right now. Okay, so here we go. Today I also tweeted like this. I tweeted like as for the paid service, I only do Ichimoku community and GTS. If you got scammers or doubt service with my name, Forex K, please let me know by this link. This is my contact form, and with the screenshots. I will start to reveal, because I don't want them to lose money with my fake services anymore. So they're losing money. They're actually losing money, and that's a big problem. Even if they win, that's a big problem. but they are losing with my services, with my fake services, and this is a big problem actually. So because I never intend someone to trade by the service signal, and I never want them to lose with these signal services, and that's why I don't do signals. But there are people who use my name and introducing these scamming fake accounts. So here is the one. Let me see. I got multiple screenshots from someone by email. So for example, this one. If you've seen this, I think this is Telegram, I guess. I never use Telegram, so I'm not sure. But maybe this is Telegram. But in case if you are in this group, this is fake, so please stay away. Let me enlarge. Yeah, it says Japanese Forex Trader K, and it's got like over 26,000 subscribers. This is a lot. This is a lot, and I think this is a free service. This is free Telegram, but it says like, so one by one I read out. So first it says, oops, hold on. Let me get this squeeze. Okay, so first it says Forex signal, best tips. And I never send Forex signals. I never do this. So from the first line, it's fake, right? Because I say in my videos, lives, I never send signals. I never trade by signals my own because I failed. So I never send signals. I don't believe signals. So this is, first line, it's already wrong with my mindset, right? And also years of experience in the Forex market. This is correct. I have 8 years, almost like 9 years of experience in trading. So that's correct. And join us now and make profit with us. So who is us, right? I'm alone. I trade myself and I do this YouTube myself. I have no teammate. I have no team. I only do this myself. I edit myself and excuse me. I do the live streams myself. I do these services myself. Before I had the moderators, but now I don't. I only do this my own. Ichimoku community, GTS, I do this my own. So what does mean by us, right? So this is a question. And I never say make profit with us or make profits with me. I never say that phrase because profits are yours and profits are mine, and it should be separated. And that's why usually on the disclaimer, I say, this is only for educational purpose, and you better trade at your own risk. Because I never take someone else's risk. I take my own risk, but not someone else. And that's why I don't trade for someone. I never traded someone, and I never been to firms, trading firms. I never been into these. All my trades in the past was done with my asset, with my own asset, and I never asked someone to manage my asset either. So that's why I say disclaimer like this, because this is actually my true intention to do this YouTube. I teach you how to fish, but I never give you fish because in that way you don't learn. And at least for me, I never got fish to be profitable. I learned how to fish for 3 years. And then I built my own strategy called KTS and build up my own asset afterwards. So based on my experience, from this reason, I want to teach how to fish because this skill set is for lifetime and nobody can take this skill set. This is for lifetime, and this is the biggest asset in your life. So that's why I prefer to give fish, right? But here in this fake account, it says make profit with us, and I never say this because there's no guarantee. There's no guarantee. So it says weekly 7 to 20 Forex signals, and this is also wrong because if you see my past trades in February, I only took like 10 or so trades. I never take like a 7 to 20 trades per week, and I never send signals. So this statement itself is also wrong, right? This is clearly wrong. If you follow me YouTube, you know that this is wrong. You can tell. And also this part, 80% win rate. You see my win rate, right? You already see that in February or last year. I did that video live previously, and my win rate is only like 40%. It won't go up to 50%. It only has 40%. But I can still making profits, making returns every month, average 10% because of my strategy, because I don't value the win rate. But here it says 80% plus win rate, which I never do, right? And also 500 pips weekly. I never say that. I never have 500 pips per week. I never do this. In average, my weekly pips, I would say that will be like 60 or maybe 50 pips would be great for me on the weekly basis. Some week I have 0 pip, some week I have minus pip. But in average, on the monthly basis, I have about average like 60 pips or 50 pips on the monthly basis. And I never talk about the performance in weekly pips. And here too, monthly. When it comes to monthly, it says 2,000 pips plus. And this is insane. This is too much with my strategy. I never do this. And Forex Signals VIP channel. So I never, once again, send signals. And I never have VIP channels. So this is very wrong. This is so fake. So in case you're still in this group, before you leave, report it. Report that group before you leave and let me know. Please send me the screenshot and I will report to my lawyer. He's gonna handle the legal situation. So that's one. I have more screenshots like this. They even take a screenshot of myself from somewhere and they introduce me, like they pretend as if they are me. So this is insane. It says expert options. I think this is the name for their service, maybe expert options. I'm not sure this is either. I'm not sure this is Telegram or not. But they are exchanging some, messages like this, direct messages, which I never do. So I have Twitter account. I have Twitter, but in Twitter even, I never exchange emails, messages. There's a message function here, message function, but this is disabled in my YouTube. So in case you receive any messages directly from Twitter, that's also wrong. That's also fake because I never send any messages from the Twitter account. I only exchange messages by email. And if you are an Ichimoku community member, then you can exchange messages by Discord, but email or Discord is the only way to message me, nothing else. So in case if you get the message from me by Twitter, that's also fake, right? So please remember this one also. Yeah. So this is my true Twitter account, and this part ForexK, you have to kind of see closely. Let me enlarge. If you see ForexK, F and K are the uppercase, and the rest are lowercase, and this is my true account. But sometimes this fake Twitter account has exactly the same layout like this, and to know which one is fake or not, you can actually see here. I only follow one. I only follow one, which is my my other Twitter account, which is sending my analysis through the TradingView, and that's the only one I follow, and I never follow someone else, because by this, you know that this is the true account. And also the followers, I have over 7,000 followers now on Twitter. So if you see my fake account where it says like only 200 or maybe 50 followers, then that's also all fake. My true account now has over 7,000 followers on my Twitter account. So by seeing this, you can tell also. So yeah, anyways, they're exchanging some messages like this, and also this one too. Like there's a personal information here, so I don't really reveal, but yeah, they exchange messages like this. So this is all insane. Like they are even charging people. I heard that they are setting some signals now, and this is insane. So here too, this is also very funny, or this is very serious and funny screenshot. You see how many? Hold on. You see how many pips it says? Like above here. This is XAU, HSL, TP3, and EuroJPY, EuroCAD, EuroJPY, XAUSD. So many signals on one day. So it says like green trades 62 and red trades 5, and total 6,107 pips. And I never gained such pips in my life per month or per week. I never gained such pips in my life. So, and I never trade like this. This is like scalping trade maybe, but I never trade like this. And I never reveal my lots and profits in this way. I never say green trades. I never say red trades, because green or red I don't like, because it's got the bias in color. So I never use such words. But in this, as you can see, there are so many signals sent every day, and the result every day, and these are all fake. So yeah, just be careful. If you're in this community, in this group, Telegram, then please report and leave, because you're gonna lose money in this way. If you keep following this kind of scammers services, you're gonna lose. And I tell this because I was also the one who was in this kind of like scammers account before. When I was a newbie, I was looking for the way to make profits, and I was looking for the signal services. So I know how you feel, how people feel when they try to earn money, earn profits by signals, because it's easier simply by following the signals. There's a potential profits expected. But at least for me, it never worked. But before I was following one of the successful traders in Japan, and this successful trader in Japan had the fake account also, and I was actually signing up this fake account, and it was exactly like this. They keep sending me signals every day, and I kept trading every day by these signals. But the outcome was not like this. I wasn't able to make profits like this. I wasn't able to make pips like this by these signals, because it's either I wasn't able to follow real time, or these signals itself doesn't really work. So that's why I left the fake. And afterwards, I knew that it was fake because I Google searched, and I found that was a fake account. And exactly the same thing's happening here too. And I'm sure there are other fake accounts of mine like this. So yeah, just be careful, everyone. If in case if you're following one of these, you better stop, report, and leave, and send me a message with the screenshots so that I can report to my lawyer in this situation. Yeah. So in case some of these fake services, please let me know. Once again, you can contact me through the email through below description, yeah, you can let me know. But at the same time, this is internet, this is open internet, and people are very sneaky to make profits, make money like this. So I think we have to be smart also in internet world. We have to be selective in terms of which service you want to pick, which service you don't want to pick. And if you have been following me on YouTube, then I'm not the type of person who does this. But if you are new to my channel, if you never seen my YouTube before and happen to see this Telegram, then you may believe. But we have to be selective. We have to. This is not a easy world in internet. You know, there are so many fake accounts and so many areas. There are these people, you know, who wants to make money by this. But you know, don't follow them. Actually, don't follow them. Never follow them, because this is not the way you make profits. You want to make profits by trading by your own, not by others' signals, others' you know, suggestions. You know, so otherwise you will never learn in your process of successful trader. So yeah, let me see some questions and comments for everybody. Thank you for joining, everyone. So today is not really a topic in Forex or any markets, because markets kind of quiet. So I was actually thinking to record a video about this topic and upload, but since I get this email today with these screenshots, you know, I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to record video, but instead I decided to do this live and show it to everybody who are following myself, because you know, I want to be honest and I want to be humble in what I do, but this is not humble. This is not honest, right? There is no proof that it works. So, and I never do these signal services. So I feel very sorry who have been following this service. There's over 26K subscribers in this fake Telegram, and I feel very sorry about them. You know, they may be making profits, but you know, most of them should be losing in these services. And because they are setting some service, I see that in this another screenshot, it says like you know, your robot charges $550. So they are selling robot in $550. Yeah, so they are actually charging money also. So yeah, when I see this message, when I see these screenshots, I feel very sad and I feel very bad who are following my fake account, because I never do. Yeah, so let me check some comments now. Yeah, Kush says that these scammers are doing this to all the YouTubers. It's so bad. Yeah, it's not only me, but other YouTubers are get scammed like this. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, scammers, right. 416 says, good job, Kay, on taking action. I agree that is how professional best way to handle it. They will be gone. Yeah, I think so. I was actually thinking to create my own Telegram account, but I decided not to, because if I create my own Telegram account, then you know that this is fake, this is true, but you know, I will be most likely inactive on this, you know, true account, because I can't handle anymore. Like I do YouTube, I do Ichimoku community, I do the GTS, and I do other things in life. So most likely, even if I create the Telegram account, I won't be active, and that may look fake. So instead of doing that, I decided not to create the Telegram, but instead, by saying that I don't have Telegram, you know that all the Telegram accounts with my name are fake. So I think that's better to handle that situation. Yeah, 416 says, I learned so much because of just you on YouTube and live stream. Okay, that's good, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, no needs for signals. You teach to use our brain. Right, our brain and experience is the asset. It's the only asset of ours. Let's say you're in this group, and what happens if tomorrow this group is gone? Then you lose signals and you won't be able to trade. You have to look for other signal, and that's a risk of following these signal services too. So instead of following someone else's analysis or someone else's signals, I highly recommend you to develop your own skill in trading and experience, practice and experience, because there is no shortcut, and this is the only way for you to grow your profits over time. And also, this skill, no one can take it. JY says, the scammers should be among your paid members. Maybe. I am not sure how he got into this group, but yeah, if you get any messages in my paid community of these scamming links and messages, please let me know. Because most likely I have this Ichimoku community, and in this Ichimoku community, I exchange messages, but I never send some other links on the messages, and yeah, I only introduce what I do for myself. So I use Forex Tester. If you come to my webpage, if you just come to my webpage, click home, and in terms of services, I only have two: Ichimoku community and KTS. That's it. I don't have any signals under services. And I do use Forex Tester. I have been using Forex Tester for the last 5 or 6 years already. So that's why I post here, because I recommend to do this. But I never sell Forex Tester. But rather, I have a coupon code for those who are interested in Forex Tester. So in case you want to purchase, I won't charge you, but I give you discount. In this way, it can be like win-win situation, because I never charge, I never sell Forex Tester myself. So you can use this coupon code and get 3% off on top of the sale price. So yeah, I never sell Forex Tester. I only sell my services Ichimoku community, which is monthly subscription, and GTS is 3 months training course, and that's it. Yeah, so yeah, when I saw the messages with attached in the email, I thought, today is the day I have to stand up and warn everybody in my community. So in case if someone else, if your friends or if your colleagues may be into these fake groups, please share this live stream, and please inform them that these are fake. Yeah, over 26K subscribers in this Telegram. That's amazing. That's insane. I mean, that's amazingly bad, I would say. And it says, the only official site I trusted was your official internet webpage and this YouTube channel. Even on Twitter, I was doubting if it were you, your person or not. Yeah, at Twitter, I post on Twitter my daily life sometimes, and I post like this. I post myself, and when I go outside, I post my own picture. So by scrolling down the feed, you know that this is true. Sometimes I announced my own live stream on Twitter. But yeah, sometimes when I go outside and enjoy some nice air, I post this also on the Twitter. So yeah. So in terms of SNS, I only do YouTube and Twitter, and I never do Facebook. I was doing before, but now it's stopped, and I don't do Facebook. I don't do the Instagram. I don't do TikTok. Yeah, I only do YouTube and Twitter. So yeah, just be careful. Alex says, I'm willing to bet most of those 26K subscribers are fake bots to make the scan services seems real. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is like real true members. Maybe not, because I only have over 50K subscribers, And in my Ichimoku community, it's got over 200 members. So 26K, over 26K is much more than my paid service, much more also than my daily live stream viewers. My daily live stream viewers are up to like 2,000 views. So 26K is much more. So yeah, maybe they are counting the bots also in this so that it looks real. Yeah, sometimes they do this too. Sometimes they also buy subscribers. You've seen the people buying subscribers for YouTube or Twitter, and look like it's famous. Yeah, there are these services like that too in the world. Yeah, these scammers are the lowest of low. They are like the virus. There are so many of them out there. Yeah, so many. So in case if you happen to come across some of my fake services, fake accounts, just let me know by email, then I will deal with the situation. Jamie says scammers aiming to people new to trading, promising them the holy grail, high win rate, big profit, etc. And people do fall for that. Yeah. I know, because I was the one also before. When I was a newbie, when I was struggling in Forex trading, I was also looked into these robots and signal services. So in a sense, I know how they feel. They are, whatever situations it may be, they want to make profits. They have to make profits to support them or support their family, and that is understandable. But it's not like looking for a regular job. Forex trading is much different psychologically from the ordinary job. And yeah, you can't really do that. Yeah, so let me, let's see. Yeah, 500 pips a week, you will be a millionaire. That's right. Yeah, like total 6,107 pips. I'm not sure, maybe 1 week or so. Over 6,000 pips per week. Wow. I would like to know that strategy too. Yeah. And it says, the problem of this situation is, if someone is scammed, then your person loses credibility. Yeah, that's true. And that's why I warned everybody. I do see some people come to my YouTube through this, but it's not the right pathway. It's not the right pathway. So sometimes I can kind of feel that whenever I see some rude comments, rude chats and comments, or let's say someone says something something rude to me, I kind of feel that they're from these Telegram or these my fake accounts, because by looking at the words that they use, I can kind of tell, because I never say bad words, I never say F words, because of my policy. I want to be clean. And I am disciplined to do these services, and I don't want you to lose any time. I don't want you to I don't want you to waste your time by joining my YouTube, and that's why I take responsibility to answer these questions with clean words, so that you can focus on the contents and focus on what I say. But if I start to see some F words, then you might get caught by these bad words, and you may lose your focus. You may lose your concentration. Yeah, and that's why I stay clean in whatever I do, and I like to be clean actually. So that's my policy. and that's why I wear tie and this vest and shirt to show my responsibility with honesty here. So yeah, when I hear someone says bad languages in my community, then I kind of feel that, oh, maybe they are from these fake accounts, because on these fake accounts they do use these F words and also other words, and they think that it's me. These members, subscribers may think that it's me, and with that in mind, they come here on YouTube and they type these words maybe. So as a live streamer, I see your comments, but some comments are hidden. When you post some email link, it's hidden automatically, and when someone posts some bad language, it's automatically hidden. I have that setting, so sometimes I see these unwanted messages, which is hidden automatically in the chat. So yeah, I want to be clean on anything I do in life. Mahardika says, Forex, the more famous you are, the more copycats who try to take advantage by using your profile. Yeah, that's understandable. I mean, that's something I know. Yeah. So, but at some point, I have to warn everybody. Yeah, because people are actually losing money by these fake services, and that is not right. So this is, I think it will be like catch and go. Like even if you catch this scammer, there may be some other scammers pop up. So it's like catch and go, and I think it never ends like this. But yeah, I think this is internet. So, to be honest, I can just do what I can do. And if it's out of my hands, then, there's nothing I can do. So, yeah, but, if I can do things, then I will just do this. Even YouTube live streams also. I do this to share my knowledge in the community so that you can learn and that you can, build up a nice confidence on your trades, and that's why I do this. But yeah, some things I can't control, obviously. But I'm sure you've seen these services before. You've seen these fake scammers before on other YouTubers, other famous people. So Forex or even cryptos has many scammers, many fake accounts in Bitcoin, Forex, and these in this area. So yeah, because they are looking for someone who wants quick money. So that's why they keep popping up. So yeah, the only thing I can say is just be careful. There is no way to get the quick money, and yeah, it's like how to say? Yeah, there is no holy grail. Yeah, that's for sure. Based on my experience for the last 8 years or 9 years of my full-time experience. Jamie says, this is why it took me so long to find someone respectable like yourself and start paying for a service. Oh yeah, thank you, James. Thank you, James. Yes, you have been in my Ichimoku community for a long time already. So yeah, thank you so much being a fan of myself and everybody too. Thank you for being subscribers and thank you for yeah, being supportive on my services. Yeah, otherwise I won't be able to do this every day like this on this YouTube. Oh yeah, Alex, that's true. Make sure to look for the stay gold. Yes. So I think, if you have received an email from me, what I write in the end, I always state stay gold. And that's also because I like the word stay gold, because, we in life, whatever happens, like these scammers, whatever, bad things happen in life, we have to stay gold. We are born to be stay gold in life. And that's why I say stay gold, to stay positive and stay shiny on our life. But in the email, I also say stay gold at the end. Usually you see regards, best regards, warm regards, these words, you see this in the email, but I put stay gold. Because one is, I like the word, and second is, by doing that, which one's fake, which one's not fake. If you see stay gold, then that's true. On messages, emails, and also comments too. So yeah, look for stay gold. That's a good tip, Alex. Yeah. I don't think, these scammers would say stay gold. If I put the description like this, I will for sure mention the last line says stay gold. Yes, I will mention that. Did I mention on the Twitter? Let me see. Yeah, on the Twitter, I didn't, so maybe I will add stay gold. Yeah, let me edit profile now. Yeah, let me edit profile. I put stay gold in the end. Okay, and save. Okay, so now you see stay gold on my Twitter account. So this way, you know which one's fake, which one's true. Or if someone copies this line and puts stay gold, then that might be difficult to identify. But at least if you look for stay gold in somewhere, then you know that it's my true account. So yeah. I mean, after I've seen this, email received in attachments, touch files, screenshots, I thought, this is the day I have to stand up and inform this to everybody, because I don't want people to lose money by doing this. Yeah, and it says, I think like the disclaimer page, another page where you confirm that this is the only official channel around and you don't sell signals. Unfortunately, the occasional viewers won't realize. Yeah, but I will keep informing it. Yes, in the end and in the beginning of my live streams or videos, I will make sure to inform this for a while. .416 says, it's so much better to take your trades by own because you understand why to hold it and how long when to exit. Yeah, that is true. That is true. You are making decisions on entries and exits by your own, and you feel much better. Yes, psychologically it might be difficult, but as you keep going, as you keep practicing it, it's much better. Yes. Oh, I see one message. He says, I just joined the live stream and saw the Telegram group and joined. Finally realized it's not you. So it's better not to show in screen this Telegram group. Some member will tap accidentally. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm saying that this is fake. So I will put the title also. I reveal the fake account. I put the title like that. Yeah. So yeah, just be careful. Just be careful for scammers is, the only thing I can say. There are many scammers in the world, and there's no way to shortcut the trades and profits, and that's all I say. And that's why I do this YouTube channel every day. So let me just hide these. Okay, so yeah, so that was a topic for today. So yeah, why not checking some charts? I've seen that the charts are flat, markets are flat in the daily or 4-hour charts, but we can still discuss from other angles. But before that, let me cover some other comments now. And it says, K, if you show these screenshots, you should stamp them on your website too as false, else they can be associated to your person too. Okay, that's a dilemma then. Yeah. All right, hello Mark, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Yeah, let's see. Hey, I'm in a trade and gained 30 pips and moved stop loss break even. You are even excellent teacher. I hope this cheers you up. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, it cheers me up. Yes, if you realize yourself that you better become better at trading, then it cheers me up. And I really value that comment, so yeah. Hold on, let me catch up some other comments. Yeah, so Rush says, hey son, it's good to show your email that you contact with us in here too. Okay, okay. Yeah, I don't think I can show email because it's got some personal information, name and email address, and I don't want that person to be scammed by by showing these private information on the internet. But yeah, look for Stay Gold on the email. Then you know it's me. Yeah, they will copy Stay Gold. Okay. Yeah, so it's like a catch and go. It never ends in this. But yeah, so that's why I say I can do only what I can do. So by showing this, you know these are fake accounts. You know that now. And with that in mind, you see other people, you may bump into these scamming accounts. You may receive messages of these fake accounts of mine, and you know these fake. And if your friends or if someone else in the community or someone else, your friends, happen to be in these fake accounts, then you can inform them. So yeah, I think this is the best I think so far that I can do in this community. But in case if you have a better idea to deal with this kind of situation, please let me know by email. Then I'm happy to discuss also, because I'm still new to YouTube. I have been only here for around 2 years, 2 and some years. I'm still here, and still, these things are new for me. So maybe you've seen more situations, more cases like this on the internet. So if you are the one, then please let me know. Then I'm happy to discuss what to do in these situations. Yeah, Katarina, you're welcome. Thank you for the message. Mahardika says, Forex K, I learned the very basic of Forex trading from Canadian trader. Okay, he also warned all of us to be careful with the fake accounts using his profile. Something happened to you now. Yeah, that's right. So that's why I started to warn this. Yeah. X says, I'm feeling that that is really more easy to read price action in Forex trading compared to cryptos. Yeah, cryptos and... Okay, so now let's start talk about the trading and markets. So let me switch the window to trading view, because I think we spend like over 40 minutes on this topic. So let me quickly see some charts and see what's happening. And yeah, and until the end of the live today. So yeah, as Egg Gao says, I think cryptos are more spiky and more fakey ups and downs than the Forex. I think so. Especially lower time frames like 5 or 50-minute charts. I think cryptos are more spikier than Forex. Or even Forex, if you see the exotic pairs or minor pairs, sometimes you have choppy 5-minute or 50-minute. But if you just stay in this major, in some of these minor pairs, you should be fine. Recently, I'm thinking to take these Swiss franc pairs off because Swiss franc pairs has been very choppy these days, especially due to what's happening between Russia and Ukraine. It's got choppy so many weeks up and downwards, and yeah, this is a bit difficult to trade recently. And also, in my broker, he offers very widespread in Swiss franc pairs after these events. So I think, yeah, I think that's something that I'm thinking and consider. Anis says, everyone here, let's spread the word, and inform everyone that K does not sell signals. Yes, I never sell signals, and I never will. Because I'm not the one who make profits by signals. And that's why I don't do it. If I make profit with signals, then I might be do, but I had no success in signals. And that's why it doesn't work for me, and there's no way I introduce signals to everyone. I only introduce something that works for me. If it doesn't work, or if something I never experienced before, I never introduce. So I get these emails for collaboration recently too, with the brokers or some other YouTubers. I get these collaboration emails, but I reject everything because I never been into these services. I never used these brokers, so there's no way I introduce. And I never seen these YouTubers' videos before, so there's no way I introduce these accounts. So yeah, that's why I never introduce. And Samson just says, which broker do you use? And I use XM Trading. But I recommend you to do research because depending on region, regulations may be different. So my broker is good for me, but it may not be good for you. So yeah, I recommend to do research and see which one is good and which one's bad. Leon says, hi Kay, I like your hair. Oh, my hair? Okay, most likely that's Japanese culture. Yeah, this haircut, I think I have to cut recently. It's getting longer and longer, so I have to cut. But this, my wife cuts it. So yeah, I just asked my wife, okay, can you please cut my hair tonight? And she does. Yeah, before when I was in Japan, I used to go to these hair salons because in Japan, the hair salons, when you go, and first they shampoo, and afterwards, after they cut the hair, they massage, and also they shave your face, and they treat very nice. So it takes like 2 hours or maybe 1 hour. If it's only a haircut, it takes only 1 hour. But usually in 1 hour, I sleep in the hair salon. But and that's something that I liked in Japan. But here, I think barber is a bit different. So and I can't relax. I cannot relax in the barber shop. So I asked my wife to cut my hair. So coming back to the topic in Forex briefly, Euro USD, it's been flat right now. So I was looking for the breakout to support 1.1121 level, but looks like it's going backwards. We see many gaps between Friday, Monday day. So, but this one, daily chart is at the support level. So still waiting for the support level breakout. Otherwise, I stay away from Euro USD. Euro AUD was looking good. Euro AUD is still going down. So after the P wave breakout in the daily chart, the market has been going down. And I was looking for the sell chance today, but I wasn't able to capture a good edge. So I'm simply staying away. And since this is Monday, usually Monday, markets are quiet. So I take a day off on Monday. So today, I was thinking to record a video on psychology topic and share it with you because usually I want to take a day off. But today, I decided to do live because of this topic. So Euro AUD was looking good, and also Pound AUD was looking good too. Pound AUD has been going down to now. So in the forward chart, daily chart, it just broke the Kumo after Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, dead cross and Chikou span break. So this most likely it goes bearish. And in the forward chart, it's going down too. In the forward chart, you see Kumo down, Tenkan span A has been down, and Kijun-sen down too. So it's almost breaking the support level. And in 1 hour chart, this is now still Chikou span touching. Sorry, hold on. Let me make it as a one screen because you won't be seeing the 1 hour behind my screen. So let me just put one screen and turn down to the 1 hour. So here is 1 hour chart, and you see that the Kumo is down, Tenkan span A is down, Kijun-sen is flat, but Tenkan-sen down, and technically there was a Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross. So when you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross below the Kumo, this is powerful confirmation for the continuous downtrend. So I expect the market breaks the support and continuously going down. And what I'm waiting for is the Chikou span breakout. Chikou span is still now with the candles, and you know how Chikou span acts. Sometimes Chikou span keeps tracing the candles. So if Chikou span keeps tracing, then the market may go up for a couple of hours and go down, and it goes in range. So I'm waiting for the Chikou span to be clearly below the candles, which is most likely at the breakout of support, and then look for the sell chance afterwards, is my scenario. But if it doesn't happen today, then most likely I stay away from this one. So far for me, Euro AUD and Pound AUD are the only two pairs that I watched today because the other ones are all ranging. And let me look into gold. Let's see, gold has been ranging in the daily chart. It's retracing backwards. It has been retracing. Kumo is up, but Kijun-sen is flat now. So it may retrace back to Kijun-sen. So simply, I'm waiting for the Kijun-sen to turn bullish to buy in the daily chart. In terms of the forward chart, this is also ranging now. You see, the market is in between Kijun-sen and Kumo. And whenever I see the market in between Kijun-sen and Kumo in either daily chart or the forward chart, then I stay away. Chikou span touching too, so this is ranging, and we can't really say which way it's going in this moment. So if you are unsure about the trend direction, then the best answer is to stay away. So I think, that's it for the analysis. Let me quickly check Bitcoin because I know there are crypto traders here. Okay, so here is daily chart. In the daily time frame, the market is again going into Kumo, and it is retracing back to Kijun-sen. And you also have to focus on the Chikou span too, because you see how Chikou span has been tracing the previous candles, and when Chikou span touches it, it goes up like this gradually. So today, tomorrow, there was a big spike uptrend in the previous chart. 26 days before, there was a big bullish candle. So today or tomorrow, there might be a big bullish candle. So in the short term, in that sense, it's bullish. So, but I recommend you to wait for a Kijun-sen break in the daily chart to look for the buy chance. Kijun-sen in daily is 40084.63. Sometimes in the range market will be rejected by the Kijun-sen and go down this way. Just like we saw earlier, like 3 days ago, there was a doji. So we may see doji tomorrow too. If that's the case, it may retrace backwards or range continuously. So if you want to buy, then I would recommend you to wait for the Kijun-sen breakout in the daily chart, and then expect the market breaks Kumo upwards in the daily chart. That will be the scenario, this one. Yeah, so I guess that's it for today's topic. VN says, K, in Dubai, there are some amazing barbers. Turkish barbers are very relaxing and also massage. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I will look for it. Or yeah, please send me the link by email, then I'm happy to look into it. Yeah, thank you for the information. I'm still new to Dubai, so I'm still have to look for exploring these new places, and I'm just enjoying it. I'm enjoying experiencing something new in Dubai. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's live stream. So yeah, sorry it was a bit off topic in the beginning, but yeah, please make sure to be careful for these scammers. And I'm sure there will be new scammers because they will keep coming up, and that's the normal in the internet. But at any time, please be careful. And in case if you doubt if that's a fake or not, then please email me. Please email from the link below, and I can answer to whatever doubts you have on these services. Okay, so yeah, this week, since this is the first week of the month, we have big news, including non-farm payrolls in the US on Friday. So before you take trades, please check news, and if there's a big news, then always trade afterwards. It's my recommendation. So once again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great trading week this week. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Right, bye for now, everyone. Mata ne. Thank you.